In this video, let's talk about how to use SoundCloud on multiple devices. If you are currently logged in to SoundCloud only on one device and you're trying to figure out how you can log in to any other devices, you can easily do that by just using your credentials. So for example, if you are logged in on your mobile phone and you're now trying to log into a web browser, you can just open up a new web browser, search for SoundCloud, head over to its website, and then click on the sign in option on the top. This way you can use the exact method, whether it be Facebook, Google, or Apple, or even your email address that you use while creating an account. By using these same credentials, you'll be able to simultaneously log in to multiple devices. The only limitation to this is you won't be able to play songs simultaneously. If you play a different song on a new device, the song on the previous device will automatically stop. But apart from that, in terms of just logging in to multiple devices, you can easily do that. So that's basically it on the way that you use SoundCloud on multiple devices. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.